Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at FRMI stock. This is Fermi. This one today is up by 25.3%. I'm going to be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on everything that we are seeing with this stock recently. If it sounds like a good episode, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now, first things first, we're going to speak about the upside that we are seeing today and really over the last couple of days, and wow, this one is moving up. Now, however, we are coming to historical levels that we have seen resistance at. The blue line, of course, indicates the current price given the post-market, and you can actually see where the stock is lined up to right now. This takes us close to and into levels of resistance that we have historically seen. Numbers around $30 as you may expect. Then you're looking up to numbers such as $30, $35, $30, $50, then of course numbers much higher at $31 and higher than that around about the $31.50 mark. This is a range, like I say, of absolute resistance historically in the past. And the question is, do we have the strength given this major run to continue to push up? Now, of course, hopefully the answer is yes, but given this essentially straight line action that we've seen in the last couple of days, you've got to make yourself aware of two things in my opinion. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but it is just my opinion. The RSI is increasingly high on this stock. It's absolutely safe to say that we are in the overbought range. At the same time, we don't or haven't recently built any major supports here. The closest thing that we have is these supports that we see between really about the 8th and the 17th. If you look at that for a reference, you could be looking at numbers right around the $29 mark, maybe around the $30 mark potentially if we are lucky, but of course we are currently still below that. If you see figures below that, I think you could be looking down to the $28.45 mark, maybe even down to $28, or possibly even pushing below that into the 27.20s, or maybe even 26.80. So really, these are the key levels that I'm looking for. My hope is that yes, we need to cool down on the RSI. I'm hoping that we can see a small drop, hopefully to historical levels of support, build continued strength there, further confirm the potential of an uptrend, build that consolidation, build that strength, build that floor for the next potential push and up. However, that is just my personal thoughts. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now, guys.